What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to install VLC Media Player on Windows 11. So firstly, go to your web browser and open the official VLC website. Click Download VLC, then go to your Downloads folder and double-click the VLC setup file. If prompt, do you want to use and allow this app to make changes, just click Yes. Select your preferred language, then click OK. Click Next on the setup screen, then accept the license agreement by clicking Next again. Now leave all components selected by default, then click Next. Choose where to install VLC and make sure you have at least 170 MB free of space, then click Next. The installation will begin, wait for about 2 minutes, and then click Finish once installation is complete and a VLC icon will appear on your desktop. Just click it to launch VLC Media Player. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.